Hello everybody, welcome to Wilson in the Family Kitchen. Today we're making tomato sauce. The first step is to cut little X's on the bottom. So when we put them in salty and oily boiling water, the skin will be easier to peel. So you want to do it away. That was a mistake. Big mistake, get it? Because I had a little bit of steak with blanch. There it is. That is what it looks like. Now I'm going to put in the salt and probably 1 to 3 counts of oil. It has to be very salty, like salt water. That should be it. Now 1, 2, 3. And this is what it looks like. Looks like big blobs are floating around in it. Now we're going to start to boil it. Now everyone, I'm putting in the tomato. That's what it looks like. It looks like a big cherry. And that's what I call tomato water. And well, just let that sit. Hello everyone. Now I'm going to peel a tomato. So as you do it, you want to peel it from the sides that you cut off. See? Now you do this. So when you do this, you can just squeeze it right off and throw it right there. Today we're going to start by adding in the butter, which is another one of my favorite things. That. Put it on low heat. Butter is melting fast, which is good. Now we're going to put in the garlic. And now the onion. It's all raw onion. Put it on low heat, because the lower it is with the garlic and the onion, the sweeter. So you want it to be pretty sweet. That was an accident. Failure is the queen of all lessons. So now I'm going to put the tomatoes in, but this is not the ones we made. Just do that. Okay. Now I'm going to add in our own tomato sauce, which is not red for some reason. And now I'm going to stir again. Now everybody, we're going to take scissors and just cut it. What we just put in was basil. If you do this, known as do it like that, you get a mother load. So now we're gonna put it on low because then it'll be sweet and it'll simmer. So you should let it simmer for an hour and a half, and that'll be until dinner. So you should probably start waiting in 3, 2, 1. Hello everyone, now I'm gonna taste it. Hot, but it's good. This tomato sauce, you can put whatever you want on it. You need tomato sauce to make lasagna. You also use tomato sauce in pizza, and that'll wrap it up. See you all next time on Wilson and Family Kitchen. Bye! And make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks! Hope you enjoyed the video. Did you end it?
Are you gonna do one more?
No! Not even one.
What?
Not even one more.
Why not?
I think it's really gross. I am 100% sure.
Disgusting.
You're gonna have to put it on the post credit, alright?